Do you understand the cohesion-tension theory of water transport in the xylem? Let's go. So first and foremost, cohesion means that water can travel up in columns in the xylem. This is important because it means that all the photosynthetic pigments in the plant can receive water. Why do they need water in the first place? Well, because they need to photosynthesize. From GCSE, we know that the word equation for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water forms oxygen and glucose. Alright, fair enough. Water is also adhesive. This means that it can stick to the walls of the xylem. This means that obviously that enables it to travel up in columns because it's all an interconnected system where it's stuck to the walls and it's traveling up in a column. Alright, so what enables this column to form? Transpiration and a transpiration stream. Alright, fair enough. How does this form? So water evaporates from the leaves. This causes a reduction in water potential in the leaf cells. Alright, this means more water is drawn up from the roots. Okay, and this forms a transpiration stream, ladies and gentlemen. Why is this important? I'm going to make a little cheeky synoptic link here. It's important because if water wasn't present, photolysis wouldn't occur. Photolysis is a splitting up of water using light to form protons, electrons and oxygen. Okay, these electrons then go down an electron transport chain, okay, where they jump between carrier proteins, releasing energy at each jump. Okay, what else happens? This energy of electrons jumping between carrier proteins and moving down the electron transport chain is used to actively transport protons from the stroma to the thylakoid membrane. This now means there's a high concentration of protons in the thylakoid membrane, to which they diffuse down a channel protein called ATP synthase, which reacts ADP and PI together to form ATP. So if water wasn't present, if all the photosynthetic pigments didn't receive water, photolysis wouldn't occur, hence ATP wouldn't be able to be produced and the plants would not be able to produce proteins, hence they would die out because the light independent reaction wouldn't be able to occur. So you wouldn't be able to produce glucose. Okay, so it's all interlinked. Thank you for watching.